Hello guys, my name is Samriti Tripathi and in this video I will explain you about 18 benefits of banana. So you know that fruits are rich in vitamin and minerals and one of the fruit are very important for our body. So now we will discuss into banana. So if we will eat everyday banana, then what benefits will and what changes will come in our body? So these all things today we will discuss about banana. So every first I will tell that every day how much banana we should eat. At least you can eat 2 banana in one day. One you can eat in the morning before breakfast and one you can eat after lunch. So now one question is creating that why we should eat only 2 bananas, we cannot eat more than bananas. Because if I am not telling that do not eat more bananas, I am telling only eat bananas in daytime. Because if you will eat in the night time, then it will create some problems in your neck. So we should not eat in the we should not eat in the night time. You can eat in the daytime how much you want to eat, but at least you can eat two bananas in a day. So next we will tell that how much benefits we will get. So first of all, the benefit of eating banana goes to our stomach. You know that who feel weakness or they have more weakness in their body, so they want to eat banana because banana is a energy booster fruit. It gives you energy, it gives you directly energy when you eat it, and it goes to your stomach from your food pipe. Then directly the fire got burning, and the energy got slowly convert that food item convert into energy. And only after 20 or 30 minutes only after 20 or 30 minutes you will see that you are feeling full energy. Now you do not have any type of weakness. So this was the first benefit of eating banana. Now second benefit of eating banana, our weight. If anyone weight is so thick, they want to become fat, they want to maintain their body good. So you can eat banana shake. You want to make banana shake and you can drink in a day at least one time, because it will increase your weight and it will give you so much of energy and power to give your work. So this was the second benefit of eating bananas. Now the third benefit is very important for women's pregnant women who are pregnant. Their babies want every nutritions. Every pregnant woman want that their baby comes healthy, they live healthy life. So for that we want pregnant women eat each every diet correctly. So for in this diet you can also include banana, because banana is one of the, I have told you that it is energy booster fruit also, and it gives us too much of energy to work your body. And it is a good source of vitamin and minerals. It has potassium, minerals, vitamin, iron, etc. It has many types of nutrition inside it. So it is good for pregnant women and for their babies. So this was the third benefit. Now the fourth benefit is losing weight. Banana also help to losing weight also, because after workout if you want energy then you can eat one banana. When you work out, after workout you will see that you are very tired. So that time you can eat one banana, because banana will give you directly energy and you help to you also lose the weight. So this was the fourth benefit of the banana. Now the third benefit of the banana. Now the fifth benefit of the banana is doing our blood clean. So you know that our blood in our body. If our blood is dirty, then our full body will be dirty inside. And if our blood is nice and it is clear, then means our body is good. So, so now you will tell that eating bananas will make your blood good. Yeah, yes. If you will eat bananas, then bananas have also more iron. That iron will go into your blood and it will clean your blood, because bad blood also causes heart attack diseases. It also causes cancers also. So one of the, you can say that banana also take risk low to less the risk of the cancer and heart attack. So this was the some benefits of eating banana. If you will eat everyday bananas, then there are many benefits that I have seen you. And if you are suffering from these problems, then eat banana daily. It will maintain your body healthy in few months. So if you like my today's video, then please like this video, and if you are new in my channel, then please subscribe my video for more and new interesting videos. Thank you.